How are you, friends? Hope you are all doing well. Today we are gonna learn about audit and assurance. That is one of our papers of ACCA and for accountancy students. Uh, Audit and assurance. First of all, if you talk about the core paper in your F series or skills module, is audit and assurance. That was previously F8, and the advanced paper is P7 in ACCA, that is your now advanced audit and assurance. So audit and assurance is a very technical paper and a very technical concept. So today we are gonna learn what is an audit basically. So let's start with the next slide. And this is this first the other thing that I want to mention, that this is my new series about audit and assurance. Previously I was making videos regarding IFRSs and IASs. Now ISAs will be I will start ISAs for all new videos. So let's start. So audit and assurance, and what is an audit? Let me move next. Audit means independent verification of financial statements. Independent verification of financial statements, or you can say audit is an independent official examination of financial statements. That means the more important word here is independent. The auditor should be independent with everything, right? That means the auditor should provide the view over the financial statements in an independent manner. For example, if we talk about a child who has gotten 10,000 rupees from his father, and he is now have to spend on different expenses. Like for example, for 10,000 rupees, he has purchased jeans. He has purchased jeans for 5,000. He has spent 500, let's say, on McDonald's or a burger. He has spent on vacations, you can say, on vacations of 2500,000 or 2500, sorry, or he has spent other expenses. So if a father is examining or verifying that how the his son has spent his pocket money of 10,000, that is basically the role of an auditor in the financial statements or a company of a company. So this is basically the role. So independent word is very important. Independent means, if I go on a next slide, independent means prudent, neutral, unbiased, unfavored, or without any influence. Means auditor should not be under any influence from the management of the company. His opinion, his view should be purely independent, unbiased, or unfavored. For example, if there is a cricket match between India and Pakistan, and there is an umpire as well, obviously. So if the umpire is from an Indian side, he might favor Indian side, or if an umpire is from Pakistani side, he might favor or he might have some soft corner for Pakistani team. So the umpire should be neutral. Like there is a India and Pakistan cricket match, and the umpire should be from New Zealand or Australia, that will give you a more prudent or neutral opinion in case of umpiring. So that is basically independent means, right? So we have understand, and hopefully you have understood all the meaning of independency now. So auditor must have to maintain his independency or independent view. Um because if we talk about a company is owned by its shareholders, and external auditors are appointed by shareholders to give an opinion over the financial statement or financial position or financial performance of the company, right? Because shareholders normally hire directors to run their company. So in order to check the work, or in order to check the performance and of the company, and in order to check the performance of the directors, how shareholder will ensure? So they hire external auditors or internal auditors. I'm not differentiating internal and external auditor right now. I'm just discussing auditors and audit. Whether it is an internal auditor, whether it is an external auditor, he should have an independent and unbiased opinion. So there we can discuss, there are few big four auditors in the world that are most commonly known by everyone: Deloitte, PwC, EY, and KPMG, and other than that, Grant Thornton, BDO, and etc. So these are the most common big four auditors in the world. Here we hopefully you have understood the meaning of audit. We will further dig into this concept in our next video. So hopefully you have learned a little bit about the audit and what is basically the concept of audit. So we will continue this video in the next I will continue this topic in the next in my next video. Thank you so much, and goodbye.